and this chapter is dedicated to materials. The different type of materials that we are going to use in the construction of boats, in the reparation of boats. The atomic number refers to that number, the number of electrons. Okay, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? For example, barium. Barium have 5 electrons in total. Ah, nice. Or 5 protons in total. Lithium, the atomic number of lithium is 3. However, the atomic weight of lithium is 6.9. What is the meaning of that? That in the nucleus there are a little more amount of neutrons than protons. For that reason the weight is a little higher. Okay? The elements located here and here, hydrogen and helium, they have only one orbit. The elements located in the second one, this, they have 2 orbits. According with this is the amount of orbits. Let me check. Aluminum have 3 orbits. Aluminum have in the last orbit 3 electrons and 10 in the previous 2 additional orbits. Yeah? That important concept is about the electronegativity. What is the meaning of electronegativity? But I want that you understand the electronegativity in a simple way. Can you imagine the same mom with 3 kids in the mall? That mom requires more energy to administrate 3 kids. Can you imagine a lady in the minivan with 7 kids? Hey, close the window! No, open the door! Hey! That's impossible. How much energy need the mom with 7 kids in the minivan? A lot of energy. The moms with 7 kids in the last orbit, those moms have too much energy. The moms with only 1 kid in the last orbit, they are lazy moms. They don't need too much energy because it's easy with only 1. But with 7, with 6, that's too much. The elements located in the groups numbers 5, 6, and 7 in this corner, those elements have too much energy. High level of energy. And the elements located in the groups 1 and 2, especially in the bottom, those elements have low level of energy. The element with higher electronegativity try to absorb electrons, and the elements with lower electronegativity try to release electrons when they combine to create molecules and compounds. Alright? The element with higher electronegativity try to absorb electrons from the element with lower electronegativity, with lower level of energy. Where you found that high concentration of fluorine? Where? In the cans with the sprays, like paint in a spray, the odorants in a spray. All the sprays, they have too much fluorine because the fluorine have the ability to pressurize. The manufacturer use fluorine to pressurize the liquid to be sprayed. For that reason, the rest of the countries, they say, please don't use sprays. Don't use the odorant in a spray. Use the odorant in bar or in ball. Avoid sprays because when you apply the nozzle on the spray, you release fluorine into the environment, and that fluorine with only 7 electrons in the last orbit try to get the additional electron from the oxygen, destroy the oxygen, the O2, and attack everything. This is not good for the environment. In the aerosols, you found a lot of fluorine, and also in the refrigerant of the air-conditioned equipment. The formula for the refrigerant is this. This is the formula. fluorocarbons, fluorine, a lot of fluorine. For that reason, recover the refrigerant in air conditioning equipment is a special process, it's a special procedure. We are going to study that procedure in details in our book of air conditioning systems.